Lockmaster Security Institute Scif RF Door Installation Course. This two-day class is designed to show you how to properly install the Lockmaster's ODIB, Original Door in a Box, RF Scif, Sensitive Compartmented Information Facility Doors, to ICD 705 standard. These specialty doors require precise installation to maximize security and maintain the RF rating. Lockmasters teamed with Overly Door Manufacturing over 20 years ago to create the original door in a box, which has all the door hardware pre-installed on the door. Everything you need to install the door is supplied in the door kit. This course will review proper wall construction, tools needed, and installation techniques and tips. For more information, contact Lockmasters Security Institute at 866-574-8724 or visit our website at lsieducation.com.